Investors have not seen such a volatile trading week for a long time. Market sentiment changed every day. If yesterday the stock market was recouping its losses, today it turned lower again. The US dollar is taking advantage of the current situation. The US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against the basket of 6 major currencies, is trying to consolidate above the level of 91. The US currency perked up steam after the renewed growth in US Treasury yields. Market optimism also improved amid a robust economic recovery and rising inflation fueled by huge government spending and the Fed's ultra-soft policy. Yet, market uncertainty may return if the labor market data turns out to be worse than forecast. Today, traders are anticipating the initial jobless claims report, and on Friday, the jobs report for February from the Department of Labor will be unveiled. The dollar-yen pair continued to rise at the end of today's Asian session. It reached an 8-month high, even despite the negative dynamics in the US stock market. Apparently, the pair is trading with a strong bullish bias, so it's likely to approach the levels of 107.35, 107.50, as we forecast in our previous review. Besides, Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga announced that he might extend the coronavirus state of emergency in Tokyo for about 2 weeks. Some experts suppose that the pandemic has not slowed down enough. This is why it continues to strain medical system in the region. The Australian dollar is up despite the signal of technical indicators. The Aussie is supported by fundamental news, yet it failed to break above the support level of 0.7765, so it may try to break below the indicated support level, especially amid the strengthening of the US dollar across the board. If so, it will face another strong level of 0.7715. However, it's likely to test this level only tomorrow after the publication of the data from the US Department of Labor. In the meantime, the Aussie is bolstered by upbeat economic data. Australia reported its largest ever trade surplus, with the exports rising by 6% to a 10-month high and imports falling by 2% to a 3-month low. Such a result was largely due to improving global demand as more countries reopened their economies after lockdowns. Retail sales in Australia increased by 0.5% compared to the previous months. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.